People will often say they know something like the back of their hand to indicate that they're familiar with it top to bottom. But how much do you actually know about your own body? Here we have 5 unusual facts about the human body. Tongue print. Just like having a fingerprint, you also have a tongue print. So if you want to keep your identity hidden, don't stick out your tongue. Shedding. Humans shed about 600,000 particles of skin every hour. That works out to be 1.5 pounds of each year. So the average person will lose around 105 pounds of skin by age 70. Bone count. An adult has fewer bones than a baby. We start off life with 350 bones, but because bones fuse together during growth, we end up with only 206 as adults. Speedy sneeze. The air from a human sneeze can travel at speeds of 100 miles per hour or more. Another good reason to cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze. Saliva pool. In a lifetime, the average person produces about 25,000 quarts of saliva, enough to fill 2 swimming pools. Thanks for watching. Please like this video and subscribe to Mope 0704.